Approximation of the Mittag-Leffler functions by elementary functions with physics applications. By Alvaro H. Salas S. In this paper we give approximations to the Mittag-Leffler functions in terms of elementary functions using different methods. This allowed us to establish a practical method we called integerization principle. This principle states that many fractional nonlinear oscillators may be solved by means of the solution to some integer-order Duffing oscillator equation. The accuracy of the obtained results is illustrated in concrete examples. Formulas for estimating the errors in the approximations are also provided.